Today I am getting ready to go vlogging, but I just wanted to show you the process of how I get my makeup like this. Someone on TikTok was asking for a full tutorial. Not film my eyebrows. I have been using the color palette on my eyebrows, color case, and the shade Cooler. It's this shade right here, the dark brown one, and I go in with their brush and I just clean it up. Everybody wants to know about my eyebrows. I really don't do much with them, but I do think they add to my look. So in this video, that's what I use, just in case I forgot to film how I get my eyebrows like that. I added my summer foundation shade because I am getting a little bit darker. So this is the foundation shade that I use, along with the Infallible. This is a little bit lighter, so I kept that on the center of my face, and I use this on the outside. And yeah, I'm getting ready to go vlog, so let's get right into the video. So I'm starting off by laying my edges. This has been the focal point of this look. Because it is summer, I'm taking a break from my lace fronts, and I'm really trying to make sure that my edges are healthy. Going in with the Maybelline primer. This is the newest jelly primer that they have. I'm almost out of this color corrector, but it is in the shade Papaya, and it is by Morphe. I'm trying to multitask and get my eyebrows and the color corrector down. I was kind of in a hurry, but like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I put the Infallible on the center of my face. I blend it in. First, I start with a flat foundation brush, and then I blend out the rest with a dense foundation brush. Going in with that summer shade from Juvia's Place, I'm placing it only on my forehead and on my cheeks just to create a contour. I think this was perfect because it was not too dramatic, which is something that I'm trying to stay away from with my summer look. Went in with this concealer. This is actually really close to my shade, which is what I wanted. I'm going for more of a natural look these days. I do not want a bright under eye, so I try to pick shades that are close to my skin tone but just add a little bit of brightening underneath my eye. I set everything with the Maybelline Fit Me and a powder puff, mostly under my eyes and around my nose, and a little bit on my forehead. Then I go in with this Juvia's Place bronzer, and I place it right on top of where I put that foundation. For my eyeshadow, I'm going very simple. I used one of the brown neutrals from this Patrick Ta eyeshadow, and then I went in with one from Morphe. I think it's called Sand. It's one of my favorite neutrals. Having my eyeliner look very crispy is going to be the key to this look. I found these beautiful spiky eyelashes that just pulled everything together very nicely. For my lip combo, I'm going in with my favorite lip pencil in brown, and this is my favorite because I get to add as much as I want, as you can see, and I get to overline my lips a little bit. I went in with the Duck Plump by NYX as my lip gloss. Realized that I forgot to add blush, so I did that really quick, and this is the finished look.